It's the middle of the week. I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. My sessions this morning got postponed, so I have to finish some courses, little hour things. It's just presentation stuff to go through. I have to plan for my diabetes course. Definitely get a place. I'm thinking that I may be using someone's home, like persons who already have lessons or classes at their locations. I could probably just contact them and find out if it's okay and the cost associated with it. So that's what I'm going to do today, because the big places only rent for like the entire day, and I really only need 2 hours every week. So we'll see how that goes. I need to hunt for a room, so it should be like a small group of persons. I don't want it to be too much people that the message gets lost. I still have to edit the video vlog and upload it, but I'm gonna bathe the doggies this morning, and then after that I'll do the video vlog. So you know what time it is. Breakfast time. Let's go.
Breakfast. Love you. Squishy, squishy. You look sad. He's beating these, beating these.
Make you do boo-boosh.
Come on, come on. You don't like to beat.
So cute. To get them to bed is a bit difficult. Come on.
Babies are clean and fluffy.
It's time for me to bed. Gonna make some banana oat muffins. First you have your oat mixture, and now putting the banana. Throwing in some cinnamon. That might be a bit much, but I love cinnamon. Just adding some almond essence and some honey. Sweet, flavorful. Some baking powder and mix it all together. I'm gonna add egg whites now. So we just added the mixture to our little cupcake holders. Yummy, yum. Alrighty guys, my video vlog is uploaded. Woohoo! On YouTube as well as Facebook. Go check it out. Basically, you don't need to try out my services. Try it out. I can help you with your lifestyle changes. Finished. Yum. Recycle, guys. Hi guys, so I just did an online nutrition counseling session, so you can access my services online as well. If you're not in Trinidad or I can't get to you physically, you can always do that, because I have PayPal set up as well. So that's my online connection. You can pay me through PayPal, and then we can do either a video or a voice call. So message me if interested. Remember, your health is important and I can help you. Let me help you. I did call one place. I tried to call some schools, but they weren't answering for the diabetes course. The place that I called for lessons said that they don't rent it, so I'm gonna have to keep looking around and asking around, because the community center is not really the best place. It's not in a good shape, so I need to find a nice space for us to be comfortable, with a bathroom, AC, and tables and chairs and stuff like that. Need a projector and a computer to have the session. Need it to be perfect. Good.
Wait. Go.
So guys, I just finished, typed up the session from this morning and sent that off. A lot of news circulating about this coronavirus thing, and it is the scariest virus ever. Now it's being transmitted in many different ways, so it's different to typical flu, and we really need to be careful about where we go and basically the distance we have between each other. I think they said a meter was safe, so let's keep our distance from each other, guys, just in case. So guys, make sure you eat your favorite fruits and your favorite vegetables. Try to get your immune system up and rest, de-stress, and also keeping hydrated. You know, I always preach about hydration status. You need to make sure you drink your water. We gotta pray and take care of ourselves. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Sleep well. Remember, guys, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy.